Alright guys, so right now I am actually in my demo account and I am getting ready to do a trade. If you're brand new here, this is Quotex. That's the name of the platform. You want to make sure you get that account set up before you start to trade. If you don't have an account, I'll drop the link in the chat. Go ahead and open up your Quotex account. In the meantime, I'm looking for a great trade that we can take. So if you want, you can check out the indicators I currently have on my settings. I have a moving average of 2. It's set as at an EMA. If you don't know how to set that up, you go here and you click on moving average. You make sure that the settings say 2 and you make sure that it says EMA. I also have a parabolic SAR at its normal settings. I didn't do anything to adjust it. It's yellow. I have a moving average. It's like a purplish pink and it's set at a 10 on an SMA. I have another moving average. It's set as a yellow number 5. Now my strategy here is pretty simple, guys. What I do is I wait for this blue line to cross over the yellow line on the candle. Once it does that crossover, I would take a buy. It would probably be a 2-minute buy on a 1-minute chart. If you want to see if my strategy worked, you can go look into the history. You can see the crossover here. And also there is an opportunity to do a buy. Let's see what else. Crossover going down here. There was a sell, short sell there. So yeah, it's definitely a good strategy. However, one of the things that I'm also using is a SMA 10. So my thing is you want to make sure that the candle has completely formed either above or below that purple line. More than likely, if it has completely formed above the purple line and it's closed over that purple line, it will continue in that trend. Again, you want to wait for that crossover. Look at the crossover here with the blue line. Look at it closing below the purple. And you could have gotten right here and you would have won that trade. You want me to help you? So, yeah, definitely, guys, that's something you want to do. I'm with my daughter here, so she's like playing her games. So, right now we're waiting for an opportunity to do a sell. Alright, so another thing you want to pay attention to is this RSI. Now, most of the time when the RSI falls like right down here, it means that there is going to be, it's oversold, which means more than likely it will go back up in an uptrend. The same thing works when the RSI is up here, like around the 50 range. More than likely it would be a downsell. A downtrend. Let me fix this because I like to put it on the 50 overbought, oversold. I like that one to be green. So I'm just going to check my settings real quick. Okay, guys. Alright, close that out, and let's see. Again, so here we are, we're touching the 30, and you see the indecision here, and then of course it goes up. So, here it is, above the 50, and it goes back down. So those are the couple things that you're looking at, guys, when you're trading. you definitely want to make sure that you're paying attention to the crossover. You're paying attention to that moving average, the pink line, and you want to make sure you're looking at RSI. And then you have the stochastic. So it might seem confusing, but it's really so easy. If you look at the stochastic here, and you see the crossover happening here, you see that it's looks like it's around the 40-ish range here. But you do see the crossover happening here with the stochastic, where the green is crossing over in an uptrend. So something to think about, guys, when you're looking for an opportunity to enter a trade. So let's wait this one out. Let's see what happens. We're looking for another opportunity. I'm going to switch it to a 5-minute because I want to see what's really going on in the market. It looks like there's indecision going on. You can see nothing really happening here. So switch it back to the 1 minute. And looks like it's trying to do some kind of reversal. There's still a confusion going on in the market. It appears that way. The RSI settings. Green line. Alright, I like that better. It's definitely going to take a dip. And I say that because, like I mentioned to you guys, whenever you see it's over this 50 mark, more than likely will fall back down. So we're just waiting on that. We would love to look for that crossover between the RSI, between the green, the stochastic oscillator. We would want to look for that crossover in a downtrend. We still haven't seen it yet, but we'll just be patient with this one. It's looking pretty good. I wanted to wait until it falls just a little bit lower on the RSI, because you just don't know what can happen. And look, it did reverse back up. So everything else, stochastic is looking great. We had a crossover. Let's wait this one out. I think that it's definitely going to go down. Alright guys, so to be honest with you, I entered a buy because I seen a reversal happening so fast. I noticed that the RSI was moving upward, and I also noticed that the crossover in a stochastic, and I also noticed the crossover here happening, and the fact that we're over that pink line gave me confidence to go into this trade. So we're gonna watch and see what happens. I took $100 trade on a demo account where we've entered a 2-minute trade. It looks like this candlestick will end in one second, which it did. And now it's moved on to the second candle. So we're going to go ahead and watch this trade happen. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright, looks like we're winning this trade so far. As you can see, we got in right here, and RSI looks amazing. Stochastic looks amazing. We had a crossover. We went over the actual pink line. We have 27 seconds left on the clock. If this dotted line falls below our entry, we lose. If it stays above, we win. And we're down to 4, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Let's go. Guys, this is an amazing trade. I should have took it in my real account. However, I did not. And just wanted to show you guys some of my techniques. And there you go. We got it. 187. How amazing was that, guys? Listen, if you're looking for more awesome trades like this, please subscribe to my channel. Do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below. And also, if you want to join my Telegram for trading signals, I'll be happy to have you aboard. Just go ahead and click on the link to sign up for Quotex. And I'll see you on the other side.